defenders of the homeland. The Republic of Kurdistan had been declared, but survival required more than celebration. In Mehabade, late-night councils shaped the future. Qazi Muhammad, calm yet resolute, spoke with quiet strength. This republic is not mine, nor yours. It belongs to the Kurdish nation. We must guard it with honor. His words filled the wooden hall with gravity. At his side sat Kaka Rashid, the elder advisor. His beard was silver, his eyes weathered by years of hardship. Leaning on a carved cane, he reminded them, "Empires will not forgive us. If we stand divided, we will fall. Unity is our only shield." His voice, though frail, struck deep, echoing wisdom born of generations. Listening intently was a young Peshmerga, barely 20, his shalwar loose, giwa shoes worn, turban hastily tied. His rifle rested against the wall, but his heart blazed with fire. Rising nervously, he declared, "My blood is for Kurdistan. I will not return home until our flag waves freely." Outside, the Peshmerga trained in the snowy fields. Rifles on shoulders, daggers at belts, their breath smoked in the icy air, with a golden sun blazing at its center. Qazi Muhammad watched from the balcony, Kaka Rashid beside him, and the young warrior in formation below. Leader, elder, and youth, three faces of one nation. Together they prepared for the storm,